Alright, the video got cut off, but so far I used this color right here, this color in my crease, this color on my lid, and this color blended out into my crease again, and a little bit of this color on my brow bone.
I said hi.
My daughter says hi. So let's continue. Let's continue and finish this strong. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is mascara. It always helps when I look down into the camera, or I'm sorry, into the mirror, because I always get a better view of my lashes. You're in the video, Mama. Gonna dust this setting stuff off of my face. All right, let's finish the look. Okay, so yeah, I think that looks pretty good from here, right? So far. Okay. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a little bit of this, like it's like a white color, and I'm gonna pop it inside my eyes, and it's gonna give it the appearance of looking a little bit bigger. Okay. And by the way, I'll link all the products that I use down in the description. So if you're my skin tone and my skin color, these products will look amazing on you. It looks really pretty. Mama!
Yeah.
So the last thing that I'm going to do is take some setting powder. Give it that sharp, defined look. And just reset all the places that need a little bit of a highlight. And now I'm just gonna take a clean brush and buff it away. That sounds pretty good. And then I like to put a little bit of a gold.
That's beautiful.
So thank you. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you like this. I linked all the products in the description, so if you're interested in trying these, just click the links. Bye.